Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up as a HyreCar driver. If you don't have a HyreCar driver account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for Find a Car. Click on Find a Car. Since we are going to sign up as a driver, make sure you're on the Drivers tab. To sign up, you could continue with Apple or Google. But in this video, we're going to sign up with email. If you wish to sign up also using email, enter all the required information such as the email and password you wish to use, your first name, last name, phone number, and zip code. Also, if you wish to receive marketing message from HyreCar, click on the tick box. After that, click on Sign up as a driver. Now your account has been created. To check your driver account status, click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for My Profile. Click on My Profile. Before you start, you need to undergo a background check. This will be done on the app. Click on the option that says Send Text, and HyreCar will send you a link to finish the background check. The text message you'll receive looks like this. To download the app, click on the link. You will be directed to the App Store or Google Play Store. To proceed, click on Get. Once downloaded, tap on Open. Once the app is open, tap on Login. Next, tap on Continue with Email. Now, log in with your email and password. On this screen, you will see the requirements to get verified. To proceed, tap on Start Background Check. First, a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Next, scan the front part of your driver's license. Tap on the button that says Take Photo. After that, you need to take a photo of yourself. Tap on Capture Selfie. Here, you will see that your information is being validated. This could take a few minutes. Once validated, it will now ask you to confirm your address. Enter it on the field provided, then tap on Continue. Lastly, enter your social security number. Then tap on Done. And now you just need to wait for the result that will be sent to your email. That's how you sign up as a HyreCar driver. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.